Hey guys, Seth here with ALE Truck Beds. Today we're going to go over a Martin skirted model. This is the SB model from Martin's. Cool thing on this one here, we did the black accent powder coating on here, so this looks sweet. Paired with this black truck, this is an F-350 chassis truck, and let me tell you what, these are two sweet options paired together. Let's dive into this truck, and we'll kind of show you different things on the Martin skirted bed, why I think their bed is the #1 bed on the market. First off, let's walk over here. We'll take a look. First, you walk up, heavy duty headache rack. They got a gusset here on all the dual wheel model trucks, and it is fully welded. Now, there is a lot of guys out there that will say that fully welding your aluminum bed will make it crack. Good thing about that is we spring mount these beds so they can flex going down the road. That keeps them from cracking. We'll put these beds on 2 to 3 different trucks. 300,000-400,000 miles. It's not a problem. Another thing too, when you go with the painted one, we do a stainless steel fold down step up here in the front. If you go with the regular skirted bed, that's going to have a cutout step here where you can put your foot in, jump up on the bed. Moving over here to the boxes, probably the biggest boxes in the industry as far as you can put a lot of storage things in there. Watertight. Got your external seal on this that your door is going to touch before it closes, and lockable whale tail latches. And these beds, they're built to last. On these ones here, as far as the wheel panel goes, they have made this wheel panel now removable. So this is similar to the service bodies. Cool thing about that is we can paint these beds really easy. So that way we can pull these 2 doors off, pull the wheel panel off, and we can paint them. Paint match the truck, or if you want to go the cheaper route and just put some color on there, we can powder coat either black or white. Moving back here to the back box, this one here, a lot of industry manufacturers make this box a little bit smaller. Not here, not at Martin's. They always go above and beyond. Check out the size of that box there. You can get a lot of stuff in there, tools, all your roadside assistant tools that you need to change a spare tire, work on a trailer, just to keep you going down the road. Dual tanks on this truck. Martin's uses their machined fuel filler on that. We did put our heavy-duty gooseneck hitch in this. The customer also wanted a 7-way flat RV plug up there, and then we did put a little hook in there so he can hook up his breakaway from his gooseneck trailers for his brakes. On the headboard here, this is the Style 4000. This is the most popular style headboard. This is pretty much what always comes on the SB unless ordered differently. Another option we do a lot of times is a 3rd brake light cutout, and I'll post a picture of that just so you can see that. That works out really cool if you have a 3rd brake light camera so you can see your gooseneck ball or slider window. Moving back here, on the back of this bed, Martin's puts stake pockets and rub rails all the way around the bed except for on these corners. That way it gives you a little bit extra room if you're pulling a big trailer for turning. Got your step back here with really good grip on there so you don't slip. Step up on there. We also have 7-way flat trailer plug here. Again, we paired this with our 2.5-inch heavy-duty receiver hitch that is rated at 20,000. That can be upgraded to a 3-inch hitch if you would like, and that would put you right at 25,000 pounds. This did come with a factory backup camera that we put in here, and so that way you can see your trailer hitch on the back whenever you're hooking up, or you have a good angle inside. This has a big screen in there so you have a nice angle when you are backing up. All LED lights Optronics LED lights, sealed wiring harnesses on these. This truck here would be a cabin chassis, so we do have all plug-and-play connectors. Makes it really nice for wintertime. They are a weather-sealed connector. Take a walk over to this other side and kind of show you what we have over here. Same thing, just this side does not have your fuel fillers, so you're going to have a rub rail the full way. There's no cutouts for it. And then same with your step. Toolboxes here. Again, huge boxes. You can get a lot of tools in there, straps, whatever you need to carry alongside you going down the road. Now these beds here, this is just a standard bed, nothing extra to it other than we did put the gooseneck hole in there, and we put the gooseneck hitch on. This is a standard bed, and then we also did powder coat the doors and the wheel panel. When we do that, we do call this the accent painting on here, or powder coating. And when we do that, we do leave the rear of the bed that would not be painted. There is an option to paint the full bed if you would like, and we can paint the doors, the full back, and then the headache rack if you would like as well. Another thing we can put on these, strobe lights, work lights. We can do an 8-inch drop inside, 12-inch drop inside, 8-inch fold down sides, 12-inch fold down sides. Work lights, strobe lights, you name it, we can put it on there. We can put a strobe bracket on top. We can add a auxiliary fuel tank, and you name it, guys, we can put it on. If you have any more questions about any of these beds that we sell here, check out our website, aletruckbeds.com. Check out our Facebook page. We are constantly updating that with different builds that we do, and so you can see kind of what's going on weekly here in the shop. And if you like learning more about these truck bodies, what bodies will fit what trucks, go ahead and hit that like button there and subscribe, and keep an eye on our page. We're trying to constantly update, and we're going to show every bed that Martin makes and other manufacturers. So keep an eye out for it, guys. Yeah, like and subscribe, and we just thank you for watching, and come on back for the next one. Thank you. We'll see you then.